Hey everyone, it's time to see if I got lucky. This is the Beautylish Lucky Bag. This comes out the day after Christmas. Set an alarm, it always sells out. It is a mystery grab bag. They have two sizes, the $75 version, the $150 version, and you get a mystery assortment of products. And then you're also able to say, are you a light to medium skin tone or are you a deep dark skin tone? And the rest is all up to them, up to chance. So we're gonna break into it and see how we did and if we got lucky this year. The dragons on this year's lucky bag symbolize good luck and fortune along with power and change. We hope these surprises offer you moments of self-love that help you tap into the power of 2024. So here is the card for that. Here is the beautiful paper. It's got dragons on it this year. And then we have our mystery bag inside. So you saw me open it. This is a true first impression. I will say last year I was so disappointed in my bag. I didn't even end up posting the video. I was so upset by it. I was honestly really upset. All right, so let's take a peek in here. So I have watched a few Beautylish unboxings, and I know some people got the Danessa Myricks really large palette. Honestly, I was hoping to get that. I can already tell I did not receive that. So if this is going to be good or bad, I don't know. Let's find out. So I'm going to reach in. The first thing here is the Good Molecules. This is a Beautylish brand, so there's almost always something from Good Molecules in the box. This is the hyaluronic acid serum. So there's that. I will try to find out the prices of everything and put a total at the end. You are supposed to get a good value in the end, usually double. We'll see. Oh, you know what? I'm not too mad about this because there have been some different hair ties from like Slip, and I think these are Kitsch. Yeah. And this is actually a scrunchie that has a bow on the back. So I feel like it's a little more sophisticated and in two colors that I would definitely use. It's this dark olive green and this black. So I'm not upset about that. Actually, I like that. So not mad about that. The next item in here I'm going to pull is a mystery. I have no idea. It's a bag inside a bag. What is this? This is two things from Surratt, actually. So the first item is the artistic blush. So let's take a peek. I think a lot of these are supposed to go in their palettes, like these magnetic ones. Oh my goodness. This looks like a bubblegum like pink. Looks very reminiscent almost of that Dior pink that went really viral this year. So this one is the Barbie Papa. Do you see that? I don't know, but it's cute. It's small. It travels well. All right. I'm not upset about that. And the next thing, oh, they also, same color, but is it also in a liquid? I think it might be. So use care when opening. Air pressure may cause formula to flow to the top. All right then. So this is, it's a liquid blush in the same color. So let's twist this open. Actually really like that. Okay, so this side is the little applicator sponge poof thing. And then I'm assuming this side is going to be, hopefully, maybe it's a twist. I don't know. I'm not smart enough for this. Why? Oh, did you hear that? Okay, so you have to twist it and then it's gonna come popping out the top. All right, got it. So that reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury type of blushes, the magic wands that do that. So that's kind of cool. I don't think I've seen anybody get this yet, so I'm not upset about that. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm really excited to get a Sonia G brush. They are expensive and nice. The only reason I made the face is because I think I got this exact same brush like last year. And if I'm not mistaken, I think the brush itself is like $65. It's their fan brush. It's taped down. So these are very high quality brushes. You usually get one in one of your bags. So here's a nice little fan for it. You can see it's a little bit kind of narrower on the ends, thicker in the middle. Nice wooden handle on that. So it is really nice. I was hoping for more of like a face blender brush or something like that. I mean, it's nice to have a fan brush, but it's like one of the brushes I use least. So next item in here I'm going to pull out is, oh, okay, we got Wayne Goss. Is it an eye or is it a lip? This is an eye pencil, and this is in Blue Sapphire. You know what? I think I have this color, and Yeah, I do have this color, but I'm not mad about this. I do really enjoy the Wayne Goss pencils. I have like 4 of them, honestly, and I already have this color, so I'll wait to use this one until I'm done with the other one, but I really like that. All right, so the next item that I'm gonna pull out is, this I am excited about. This is from Auric. This is Samantha Ravndal's, oh, it's the Plush Ritual Tint. Okay, so I'm not as excited, but I am still excited because when this came out, I thought about getting it as well. This is the lip mask, and this has a beautiful little jade piece in here, I believe. That is the applicator scoop for inside of here. And so she reuses the same packaging that she does as her eyeshadows, the liquid eyeshadow and then the powder eyeshadow on top. And this is, I think, just the regular kind of berry looking one, ripe. And so these are very translucent. They're not super thick, but I think she wears them anytime. So I'm actually excited to have this, but I was actually hoping that it was one of the eyeshadows because I do really love those. I have 2. I have it in Temper and I have it in Defiance, and I wouldn't mind having it in like that silver color, the green color. So the next thing in here is the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Foils. Now, I had a Danessa Myricks product last year. It was like the Chrome Flakes. I tried so hard to get that to work for me. It just does not. And so I was like, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but it just does not work for me. This is in the color Venus. So, ooh, it does look kind of shimmery. So I am excited to give this a shot, and maybe this will work out a lot better for me than the other Danessa Myricks product that I had. So I'm trying to save what seems to be a palette for the end. So this is the Holly Frog. This is the Moonbeam Retinol Treatment Serum. I'm not mad about getting a retinol because honestly, as I get older, I enjoy having a retinol product. So trying all the different brands of retinol, that sounds good. I think last year I got a Holly Frog product and it was like some sort of face wash thing. So I'm excited to get a retinol product. Excited about that. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. All right, so the next item I'm going to pull out here is, everyone seemed to get something from here too. This is the RNCO Zipper Multitasking Styling Lotion. So I'm actually glad to have this because some of the other products that I've seen a lot of people get the Ghost oil, like the Verb, and I've gotten that like the last 2-3 years in a row. So I'm glad to see something else. So I'm excited for that. And then there's one last thing in here. And you know what? This is not at all what I thought I was going to get. I don't know if I've seen anyone get this. I'm a little disappointed only because I saw so many other people get the Danessa Myricks, the matte one, the Danessa Myricks, the really pretty, beautiful, celestial looking thing, and then a whole bunch of Wayne Goss palettes, which I do already have. So it's nice that it's not a repeat. I think most of this stuff, except for the eye pencil and maybe the fan brush, is stuff that is newer to my collection, which is harder as you start to buy more things and have a bigger collection. This is the Beautyverse palette from Charlotte Tilbury. This is beautiful packaging. It's really lovely. I will say though, I know I saw some people do a review of this and it wasn't their favorite, but they were like, but gosh dang it, the packaging is pretty. So we'll take a peek at this, and here is what the palette looks like. These are the colors. So it is really pretty. Hopefully these little topper celestial shades are good. But from what I've seen, some people were like, it wasn't worth the money that I paid for it. And so it's kind of a disappointing finish to the lucky bag. But all in all, let me go ahead and add up all of the retail costs of this, and I'll find it. And then I will put it on the screen right about here. And this is the box. So would I say that this was a success? I don't know. And maybe it's me being disappointed because I've seen so many other boxes with some really interesting stuff that I really wanted. And this box had some stuff that I was interested in, but the big ticket item that I was looking for wasn't actually something that, one, I've seen other people get, and that was very super exciting to me. So I don't know, y'all. I'll say it's definitely not as disappointing as last year's box. Like I said, I was so angry at last year's box I didn't even make a video. And This year I'm just kind of like, eh. And I've seen some bags, the $75 bags, where they're getting entire Sonia G sets. Some people get extra lucky. And those brushes can be like $200 for a set. I got one brush. It's a brush that I already have. And I got a palette that I've heard not great reviews about. I don't know. I'm going to have to go with experience and value 6 out of 10. So it's not a rousing recommendation. I don't hate it, but I'm feeling definitely wanting more and feeling like I've seen a lot of other unboxings that were a lot better than this. I'm sorry. Sorry to disappoint you, but I hope you were excited to see what was in my lucky or not so lucky bag. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you in a video very soon. Bye.